So we're back with the Antigua Plus again, this time with the second set of blades, and these in particular aren't quite common. These blades are most likely seen in just the catalogs, but never really in person. There are a few differences to set this the blades off as opposed to the other set. The first and very noticeable difference is that the tip of the leaves face the other direction, whereas the other set, the tips pointed left. The second difference is the texture on the top side. On the other set, they're actually solid, and also if the camera can catch it, the distressed beach finish is a little darker as opposed to the other set. So this is clearly something quite uncommon, if not rare. And I believe this would be the first that anyone has ever seen in person. Yeah, I've only seen these blades in pictures in the catalogs, but never really in person. I believe that this was a special order only thing. In the 2004 catalog, that's where it actually started, because 2004 was the introductory year for the Antigua Plus. These blades were never used anywhere else, as far as I can tell. Yeah, my only guess is that these were special order. But in the catalogs in the later years, this fan was standard. And of course, these were available both in-store and online. So there's really no way of knowing what was going on when they made this. As to why these blades were only seen in pictures, but not in person, they have the other set instead. I do like the darker volume of the Distressed Beach. I don't think you can tell, but this light is not very bright. I have my 15 watt equivalent candelabra base LEDs. Bowl light kits in general do cover up a great deal of the light, so not much is dispersed all throughout the room. And there you guys have it. Probably the first ever seen Antigua Plus with the opposite pointing blades.